Hi there, I'm Gillian, one of the Ishga trainers, and this evening I'm going to take you through my evening skincare routine. So to get started, I'm going to take my active cleansing lotion, a couple of pumps dispersed into the palms, and massaging this into the skin to cleanse. So this has a blend of seaweed extract, spring water, cocoa butter, jojoba oil and vitamin E. So this will help to melt any makeup, any oils, dirt and grime built up on the skin. It contains bergamot orange oil, so this helps to really calm and soothe, and rinds of lemon, so it's antiseptic, cleansing, and smells amazing. So once I've massaged that into the skin, taking either a damp face cloth or some damp cotton pads and sweeping over to remove. Okay, once I have removed my active cleansing lotion, I'm then going to take my Hebridean Marine Toner, applying this onto some cotton pads and then sweeping over the skin. This will help to remove any residue from your cleanser. It will help to hydrate and prepare your skin for the next product. This contains aloe vera and cucumber, so really helps to kind of calm and cool the skin. It's also amazing to be using as a spritz, so directly spritzing over the skin, and that will really help to boost the hydration in our skin. I think for me, in the house, I've got the heating on, I'm definitely not drinking as much water as I used to be, kind of out on the go, and I'm drinking a lot more tea. So my skin is definitely, I can see it a wee bit more dehydrated, so I'm using this one every day just to give my skin that nice boost of hydration. The next product I'll use is the Regenerating Face Serum. So taking a couple of pumps of this into the skin and gliding it over. Once I have evenly applied this onto the skin, I'm then going to use tapping like fingertip motions. This really helps to stimulate the product, allowing it to penetrate deeper into the skin. This is a blend of brown algae seaweed and salt water, so really good for balancing the skin, helps to tone, tighten and firm, and you can really feel that working on the skin right away. The next product I'm going to use is the Rejuvenating Eye Balm. So this contains arnica, so great for diminishing the appearance of dark circles. Contains amaranthus seed extract, which helps to reduce inflammation and tone the skin, and it also contains argan oil, so really help to lock in the moisture and hydrating and moisturising. And to apply this, I'm just taking it onto the temples, around the cheekbones, up through third eye, and sweeping over the brows. Perfect. The next product I'm going to use is my Nourishing Face Oil. So taking just one pump of this is enough. A little bit goes a long way with these products. Taking it into the hands and then sweeping it right over my face, neck. This contains jojoba oil, sweet almond, thistle oil and rose geranium, so amazing to give your skin a real good overnight intensive moisture treatment. The thistle oil will help to balance any areas of congestion, and An oil's amazing for all skin types. It's really going to help condition any dry areas, but also helps to balance any oily areas. And that's because your skin doesn't feel the need to produce any more oil because it is already getting it from your Nourishing Face Oil. So for me at this point, I sometimes will just go to sleep with my Nourishing Face Oil on. However, you can apply on top of that the antioxidant marine cream, or you can use them separately how you wish. So taking the antioxidant marine cream and gliding this on top again. This is shea butter, cocoa butter, macadamia nut oil and apricot kernel oil, so really a lovely rich moisturising cream that can be used morning and at night time. It gives your skin a real boost of hydration, locks in moisture and protects against any environmental damage. Great to be using, you know, daily if we were spending more time outdoors, but essentially, you know, at the moment when we're in the house and out of balance with our normal routines, the skin will have its own kind of changes with that, certainly with the heating being on, not drinking enough water perhaps, and just having a different kind of lifestyle. So this will really help to protect the skin and condition and keep it a nice healthy complexion. So there we have it. That was my evening skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please get in touch, and I'm off to bed now, so good night.